What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're gonna put a winch on the CRV. Why? Because why not? Welcome back, guys. Today we're putting the winch on the CRV because you never know. We go off into a ditch, we'll pull ourselves out. Somebody else is in a ditch, we'll pull them out. It's not a real powerful winch, but hey, might do the job. Should be a real easy install. Let's go get to it right now. This is the winch that I have for this install. It's a 4,500 pound winch from Tractor Supply. It was regular about $220 and it was clearance for $30 freaking. Now, I bought it a long time ago. It's probably been 6 months. Got some enclosed trailers and stuff. I was gonna put a winch on them. Saving this for that, but I want a bigger one. Why not make this a little fun project? I also got a winch mounting bracket right here. That was $13 on Amazon. The car this winch is going on is this 2004 CRV. We've already plastic dipped the wheels. We've got all new suspension in the front. We've got the HD roof rack. All this stuff's on this channel if you have any interest in that. And then we put a tow kit on it as well. So we're ready to haul. You can also check out the video of the Big Daddy here on the Jeep. The first thing we got to do is find the actual frame, the bumper. I'm not talking the bumper cover, I'm talking the actual metal bumper. We'll find it in there, we'll cut access, and we'll put the mounting plate on it. Front core support and the bumper are right here. Can't be this easy. I only need to remove the bumper cover. You cut out an access port right here, Dremel. I got to looking at it. If I put that right here, it's gonna stick out. It looks like it won't belong. If I remove all this and countersink it in, it's gonna look like a factory option. Do it right. I'm gonna take this right into the frame, bolt it in, and I think I'm gonna come through with a piece of tube steel and weld. Everybody needs a white pencil in their garage. If you don't have a white pencil, go get you one. Punch. Got to use thread locking. Now I can carefully take the winch off. All right, shoot, forgot this. Fair lead. All right, she's installed, looks good. Fits in there perfect. I put a couple stabilizer chains up top. I'm going to use that in my next video project for this car. We'll get into that later. Strength test. Now we've got to do the wiring. All this is literally a hot and a negative go down, hook up to this, and a hot and a negative go to the battery. Try to find a clean path away from all moving parts. Pop this up. Go right under here. Negative in front. Control box, I'm thinking about just leaving it here. That's pretty nice. I can just take all this crap off and not worry about that. Take this box apart and get this crap out of here. Just so you know, I'm just testing to make sure the winch works. I'm not pulling anything heavy intentionally. I'm gonna take that entire coil spring, weighs about 50 pounds, try to pull it up, and then at the same time, I'm gonna fix my cable right there, get it nice and neat. Disengage, pull it out. Little tech tip for you. If you're out in a completely wet environment, you need to start a fire. But everything's wet. You can still start a fire. A little of this. Put it on your wet kindling. Light her up. You gotta use it a lot, but it's an option. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. If you liked the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. I've got all kinds of other videos on my channel. A lot more of this car, a lot more of other cars. Lots of cool stuff, over 100 videos. Check it out, check it out. If you didn't like the video, check out the people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours and hours of fun, cool people. Watch for the rest of this video to come soon. Finish it off. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.